Hi guys, welcome back to another Sunday Stata tip here on In Case of Econ Struggles. Today we're talking about the Carryforward command, which is user created and very helpful for filling in missing data. So let's see how it works. What I've done is I've pulled in the auto data set and just done a couple things to it to make it easier for this example to work. What I've done is just randomly kind of pulled out data for miles per gallon to make it missing to create some holes in the data, and we are going to try and fill those in. This is most applicable for maybe each one of these new numbers is a different car, and the data set is cars by year, and this is the same car in different years, so we really want this 20 to carry forward or carry down all the way to these missings. We want the 15s to go down and so all the way down throughout our data. Now you could come up with some pretty complicated code to try and do that, but the carry forward command is going to make it a lot easier. Now if you've never used the Carryforward command before, you need to install it. So you need to type ssc install. The name of the command is Carryforward. This is the way it works for any user created command. You can see that I've already got it installed, so it says that I'm up to date. If you don't have it, it will install successfully in this command window. Now let's go ahead and use the command. So I'm going to say Carryforward. The name of the variable is miles per gallon. Now what I like to do whenever I'm doing any sort of large manipulation to a variable, put it into a new variable just so I can check myself and make sure it worked. So I'm going to say generate. I'm going to call this miles per gallon underscore standard or STD. So let's run it, and you can see here that that carry forward command worked exactly as we wanted it to. Now if you're feeling more confident about the data, what you can do instead is you can say carry forward the same way we did before, but now instead of generate you can say replace, and you can see that we have replaced the original miles per gallon variable with that same carry forward command. So hopefully this gives you another tool when you're filling in missing data using the carry forward command. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next week for another Sunday Stata tip here on In Case of Econ Struggles.